Hey everyone, Bob here from Pompr.com. Pompr is a prompt generator that helps you make beautiful cinematic images quickly and easily. Instead of guessing what to type, you just click a few buttons to build a great description in seconds. When you first open up the Pompr console, it's already packed with tons of free characters, scenes, and hundreds of actions. It basically gives you every single element you need to create stunning cinematic images that you can easily animate later on whatever platform you like. And remember, although we're using Flow for this demonstration, you can use Pompr with any AI image generator that accepts text. Today, we're going to dive into the action matrix so you can see exactly what this console can do. We'll run through a few quick examples so you can see how powerful it really is. For our first step, let's build a clean character reference sheet. We'll start by picking the Infinite Studio white background and our minimalist editorial character. Now, before we grab the head reference sheet card in the Utility tab, we want to establish a neutral face expression for our baseline. So let's go to the Social category, and right on level 1, we'll select the Soft Eye Contact card. Next, we'll go down to the Utility tab and select the 3D Head Reference Sheet card. Hit that big copy button to lock it into the clipboard. And for this demo, we're going to jump over to Google Flow. Let's paste our prompt right into the text box. Hit Enter and let it render. Hey, look at that. Not bad at all. We now have a perfect head reference sheet for the minimalist model that we can use to keep her character completely consistent from shot to shot. Now, let's see how we can use the action matrix to inject some real emotion into this character with a single click. Back in Pompr, because we want to update the action, we'll keep our scene and character selected, but we're going to step up the intensity. Let's stay in the Social category, but let's change our action to level 4 by clicking the Hard Stop gesture card. The moment you click it, the prompt window updates automatically. Hit Copy and jump back into the AI engine and paste it into a new text box. Don't forget to drag our brand new reference sheet right into the Flow prompt box so it knows who to draw. Hit Render and wow, that's a hard stop there. But let's amp up the emotions a bit. Back in Pompr, let's click on the Ambient category and drag that energy slider up to level 5. Here we go. Click the Breathe Through Teeth card. Notice how the prompt window instantly updates the second you click a new card. I love that. Simply click Copy, head back to Flow, paste it over, and hit Render. Oh yeah, she's starting to look really tiffed now. Let's push it all the way. This time we'll take it up to Social category, level 9, for the Full Throat Scream card. Click it, hit Copy, and paste. Whoa! Okay, someone is having a seriously bad day. But as you can see, with just a few simple clicks, you can dial the exact emotional intensity of your characters up or down in no time. Now let's look at how you can use Pompr to brainstorm and build out an entire scene incredibly fast. Let's start fresh and make another 3D reference sheet, this time for the Weekend Traveler. We'll use the exact same technique. Select the Infinite White Studio scene, click our character, and head to the Social category at level 1 to grab the Soft Eye Contact card. I always like to use a neutral face for reference sheets because it gives the AI a clean, clear baseline to build on. Hit the Utility tab, click the 3D Head Reference Sheet card, then copy and paste it straight into Flow to let it generate. Perfect. Now, let's mix things up and combine our characters into one shot. First, we need a great location to place our actors. So let's choose the orbital crew quarters. Right away, you'll see the scene description pop up in the prompt window. Next, let's click our first character, the minimalist editorial, to drop her into the scene automatically. Now, to bring in our second actor, we just click the Actor 2 button to tell Pompr we're making an ensemble shot, and then we select our weekend traveler. Just like that, we have two actors sharing the exact same composition. If we look at our action line in green inside the prompt window, it defaults to soft eye contact. That's a little boring for a sci-fi scene, right? You'll find that some actions in the Matrix are built for solo characters, while others are specifically designed to handle dual actor interactions. Let's scroll through the Matrix and find a good one. Look at this. Under the social category at level 1, we have a dual-friendly action called the Warm Greeting Mirror Card. But before we hit copy, let's add one more thing that is an absolute game changer for storyboarding. Let's click on the Utility tab again and hit the Angle Grid card. You'll notice the prompt text immediately switches from our color-coded auto mode to white text, which means you're now in manual mode. That white text lets you know you can jump right into the text box and edit or rewrite the prompt any way you want. But more importantly, it just dropped a brilliant utility line right at the bottom of our prompt. Let's hit copy and jump over to our AI generator. Paste it in and see what happens. Whoa, look at that. You literally just generated a whole storyboard of different camera angles for this exact scene in one go. With image generators like Flow, you could just crop out the specific angle you love the most. Then you can jump back to Pompr, copy the Enhanced X utility card to add hyper-detailing instructions, and paste it into your AI engine's text box to scale it up into a gorgeous high-resolution final image. Just like that, your visuals are coming together with just a couple of clicks.
Doctor, it's so good to see you. Welcome to Space Station Phoenix.
Hello, Rex. Weren't you under house arrest last we met?
What? No. It was station arrest, Doc. And I behaved beautifully after the second warning.
I think they're going to do well together, don't you? Moving on. At the end of the day, the real magic of Pompr is that it completely destroys the blank page problem. It gives you a massive running start on any visual idea you have in your head, while still giving you total human control to tweak, edit, or rewrite any detail you want. That's important. The Pompr console is completely free to use, including our core color-coded layout that keeps your workflow organized, the action matrix packed with over 300 actions, and all the powerful utilities we looked at today. And whenever you're ready to expand your studio, you can visit the Pompr store to choose from hundreds of specialized scenes, characters, and custom actions inside our curated expansion reels. Go ahead and try out the console over at Pompr.com right now. We have a ton of other features to go over in our upcoming videos, so make sure to hit subscribe and check back soon. I'm Bob, and I'll see you in the director's chair.
I am AI. Am I AI? I am AI. Am I AI? I am A. Oh no, the secret's out!